Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dugo Mouth Maculat by Dugo, in case you're dropping here for the first time. So guys, it's the 4th edition of our Friday Night Glam, and I'm so excited to create this beautiful look for you guys. I created this beautiful cut crease look for you guys. I know you guys are loving this. I actually love nude lips on myself a lot. I appreciate it more. I don't know what you guys think. So I hope you guys love the eyes, and I know you guys can't wait to jump into the tutorial. But before you guys do, please, I just want to keep passing this message. Please guys, like, share, comment, please. You guys, we need to grow. I just want us to grow. Let's take this page to another level, okay? And without you guys, I can't even do it. So I need you guys, I need your support. I need your support 100% to help me move ahead. If you see my videos, please make sure to give them a thumbs up. It helps me. You guys, please, you just need to help your girl. Like, come on. So guys, until my next video, I love you guys. I already prepped my lids and did my brows off camera. So next I'll be going into the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'll be using that orange shade right there as my transition shade. Guys, this palette actually has names, but I don't know where I dropped. I kind of misplaced the naming. So next up I'll be using that brown shade, orangey, like the deeper orange, to further intensify my transition. I'm going to be blending that out nicely. I know my voice is nothing to write home about today. You guys should pardon me, I have a cold. So next up I'll be using that red shade. It's a kind of red shade but not deep, to, you know, further add some spice to the eyes. Next I'll be using the dark brown shade to contour the eyes, add more definition to it. I'm going to concentrate on the outer corner of the eye and blending it in slowly towards the inner corner. One thing to take note of when you're using colors, when you're playing with colors, you have to make sure you blend each of the colors properly so you don't leave harsh lines, because when you start playing with colors, you have to get ready to spend your time blending. To cut my crease, I went in with the House of Tara eyeshadow primer. At this juncture, guys, you have to take it slowly. Like, take it slow, or else you ruin the whole thing. I know how long it took me to get this, trust me. So I'll be using the red shade on my crease. Lid, sorry. So I'm just going to be tapping that color on my lid. Remember, I said tapping. I didn't say rub, or I didn't say sweep. You don't sweep it over, because you might as well shift your primer. So make sure to tap and take your time. Don't worry, you'll get there. Having done that, I'll be going into my eyeliner, and I'll be using the Inkblock gel liner in the number 77 to create my perfect wing.
So enjoy.
Next, I'll be using the Stila liquid eyeshadow. It's a kind of liquid glitter. I'll be placing that on the part where I cut my crease just to make it more pretty.
Call me my darling, sweetheart.
To prep my face, I'll be using the MAC Natural Radiance Primer, the yellow one. So guys, with this primer, a little goes a long way. I actually used a tad too much, and I chose to use my fingers to spread it out because I prefer to do it that way, and it kind of feels like a moisturizer, so why not? Just have to wash your hands and make sure you're doing it with clean hands so you don't transfer germs. So for my foundation today, I'll be using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid with the Fenty Beauty foundation in 390. The MAC foundation is in NW45. I'm going to be mixing these two to get my perfect shade, and I'll be blending it in with my Nuban Beauty sponge. Next, I'll be highlighting, and I'll be using the Ellie Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. You guys already know the places to highlight: under your eyes, your chin, your forehead, and the bridge of your nose. To set my face, I'll be going in with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'll be applying that on everywhere I highlighted. I'm not going to be doing any cream contour, guys, so I'll be going into my favorite palette, the Maybelline powder in cacao, to do my contour. If you don't snatch that nose, waiting you gain. With the same powder, I'll be contouring my face. It's gonna help my face appear slimmer for those of us that have broad face. Next up, I'll be doing my reverse contour. This is gonna help define the I'm going to be setting my face, and I'll be going into the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish powder. I'll be using this powder to blend everything out nicely. Make sure I eliminate every harsh line. Then I used the Marble Kohl pencil to line my waterline. To set my face and remove every powdery look, I'll be going into the Nuban Beauty Seal It Spray. Next up, I'll be doing my lips, and I'll be lining it with the MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut. Yeah. And then going into that liquid lipstick from Huda Beauty. I can't remember the shade, but I'll drop it in the description box. Guys, can you see how pretty this shade looks on me? Extremely beautiful. So it's time to get our glow game on point. Like, guys, I'll be going into the MAC Gold Deposit, and I'll be using this to highlight my face. So that's it. I'll be highlighting the chin, the the highest point of my cheek. And that's it, guys. That's pretty much it. We call it a wrap. That is the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Until my next video, bye lovelies.
Don't mind them. You got a belly on me, you bind them. My tie don't come, yo.